आज ही डाउटनट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello everyone. So today our question is, if integration 0 to 4 pi log of mod 13 sin x plus 3 root 3 cos x dx is equals to k pi log 7, then the value of k is, options are given as 2, 4, 8 and 16. So let's start with the solution. Now we are given, let's take r equals to integration 0 to 4 pi mod log of mod 13 sin x plus 3 root 3 cos x dx. Now let's take 13 equals to r cos theta and 3 root 3 equals to r sin theta, where r is greater than 0. Now 13 square plus 3 root 3 whole square is equals to r square into cos square theta plus sin square theta. Okay, so this one is equals to 169 plus 27 equals to r square. So this will be equals to r square equals to 196 and r is equals to 14. Okay, this is the value of r. Now r cos theta, sorry, r sin theta divided by r cos theta equals to 3 root 3 by 13. So therefore tan theta will be equals to 3 root 3 by 13 and theta will be equals to tan inverse 3 root 3 by 13. Okay, now we can write 13 sin x plus 3 root 3 cos x 3 root 3 cos x as equals to r into sin x cos theta plus cos x sin theta. Okay, now we have just put the value of 13, which one was r cos theta. Okay, so this one is r sin x cos theta and we have put the value of 3 root 3 which was r sin theta. So this will cos x sin theta. Now r is 14. Okay, so r is equals to 14 and this we can write as sin a cos b cos plus cos a sin b. So it is sin of a plus b, which is x plus theta. Okay, now this we can write it as, putting the value for theta, we can write sin of x plus tan inverse 3 root 3 by 13. Okay, now let's solve for I. Now we can write I as I equals to integration 0 to 4 pi log of 14 sin of x plus tan inverse 3 root 3 by 13 dx. Okay, so this is equals to 0 to 4 pi log of 14. Now a dot b, so log of ab is equals to log of a plus log of b. So this one will be log 14 dx plus 0 to 4 pi log of sin of x plus alpha dx. Okay, now where alpha we have taken as tan inverse 3 root 3 by 13. Okay, now let x plus alpha is equals to z. Okay, let's take this value x plus alpha equals to z. Now then dx will be equal to dz. Now we can change the limits as, when x tends to 0 then z tends to alpha, and when x tends to 4 pi then z will tends to alpha plus 4 pi. Okay, so now this can be written as log of 14 into 4 pi minus 0 plus, we have just integrated this part only, which will be log of 14 is constant, so x dx into dx will be equals to x. So after putting the limits, this will be 4 pi minus 0. Okay, so now let's integrate this part only, this the left part. This will be equals to plus of 4 into 0 to pi log of sin z dz. Why? Now the limits was 4 pi to alpha plus 4 pi. Okay, now since sine is a continuous periodic function with period pi, then we can write it as we can write it 0 to 4 pi. Now I've taken the 4 as in the side, so this will be 0 to pi log of sine z dz. Okay, now this will be equal to 4 pi log 14 plus of, now using one property we can write it as 0 to pi by 2 log of sine z dz, and we have used the property since 0 to 2a integration 0 to 2a f of x dx is equals to, we can write it as twice of 0 to a fx dx. Okay, this property we have used here. So this is equals to 4 pi into log 14 plus 8 into, so now log of sine z is equals to minus pi by 2 root 2. So we can write as minus pi by 2 log of 2, because since integration 0 to pi by 2 log of sin x dx, this whole thing is equals to minus pi by 2 log 2. Okay, this whole thing is equals to minus pi by 2 log 2. So now we can write it as 4 pi log 14 minus 4 pi log 2. Okay, because this will be 8, so this is minus 4 pi. Okay, so now this we can take 4 pi common, so this will be log 14 minus log 2. So log a minus log b we can write as log a by b, 14 by 2, which is equals to 4 pi log 7. Now this one is given as, in the question it was given that this value is equals to k pi log 7. Now we have had to find the value of k. So after seeing the two sides, we can say that k is equals to 4. Okay, so this is our required solution. Thank you everyone.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।